What if I told you the next Silicon Valley isn't about computers or social media, it's about batteries? Imagine a future where America powers its cars, homes, and even airplanes with technology built right here at home. The race is on, and the U.S. is building a brand new powerhouse, Battery Valley. Just like Silicon Valley transformed America into the world's tech leader, Battery Valley is set to transform how we live, work, and travel. Across states like Michigan, Ohio, Georgia, and even Texas, massive battery factories are rising, creating thousands of jobs and reshaping local economies. Batteries aren't just for electric cars. They're the backbone of clean energy, from storing solar power to keeping the lights on when the grid fails. And the U.S. knows it can't rely on foreign supply chains forever. That's why billions of dollars are being poured into domestic battery production to secure America's future, just like Silicon Valley once did with computers. Think of it this way. Silicon Valley gave us Apple, Google, and Facebook. Battery Valley could give us the next generation of Teslas, energy startups, and even breakthroughs that make flying on electric planes possible. It's not just about tech, it's about independence, jobs, and America leading the world again. So buckle up. From Silicon Valley to Battery Valley, we're witnessing the next U.S. tech revolution, one that might just power the future of everything.